Directions: you will hear a question or statement and 3 responses spoken in English. They will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Select the best response to the question or statement and mark the letter A, B, or C on your answer sheet. Number 1. Could you explain the discrepancies in the financial report? Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. Sure, the discrepancies are due to seasonal fluctuations in sales.
B. What discrepancies are you referring to?
C. I believe the report is accurate and doesn't need changes.
D. We should review the report at our next meeting.
The correct answer is B. Number 2. Could you explain the key challenges in implementing the new international merger strategy? Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. The main challenges include regulatory hurdles and cultural differences, which we'll address through legal consultations and team-building workshops.
B. We should just proceed without worrying about it, it'll work out fine.
C. I'm not sure, but let's focus on the budget instead.
D. The strategy sounds great, no challenges at all.
The correct answer is A. Number 3. Could you explain the potential risks associated with this investment strategy? Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. The risks include market volatility and currency fluctuations, which could impact returns.
B. I think we should avoid investments altogether to be safe. C. The weather forecast for tomorrow looks quite unpredictable.
D. Could you provide more details about the strategy first?
The correct answer is A. Number 4. Could you elaborate on the potential risks associated with this investment strategy? Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. Yes, I can provide more details on that.
B. The primary risks include market volatility and regulatory changes, which could impact returns.
C. I'm not sure, let's move on to another topic.
D. Investments are always safe if you choose wisely.
The correct answer is B. Number 5. We've noticed a discrepancy in the quarterly reports. Could you explain this? Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. Oh, that's probably just a minor error, don't worry about it.
B. I'll investigate the issue immediately and provide an update soon.
C. I'm too busy right now to deal with that.
D. Why are you always pointing out problems like this?
The correct answer is B. Number 6. How do you plan to mitigate the potential risks associated with fluctuating interest rates in our international investments? Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. By implementing hedging strategies such as interest rate swaps and futures contracts.
B. We'll monitor the rates and decide on actions if they become a problem.
C. Interest rates aren't a major concern for us right now.
The correct answer is A. Number 7. Woman, our supplier just informed us that the new tariffs will increase costs by 15%. We need to renegotiate the contract immediately. Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. Cancel the contract.
B. Renegotiate the contract. C. Change suppliers.
D. Accept the increased costs.
The correct answer is B. Number 8. What are the key factors influencing our company's global supply chain disruptions? Mark your answer on your answer sheet. A. Geopolitical tensions and fluctuating fuel prices.
B. The office holiday party schedule.
C. Employee training programs for basic software. D. Changes in local weather patterns.
The correct answer is A. Number 9. What is the primary cause of the decreased sales figures in the last quarter? Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. Increased competition from rival companies leading to market share loss.
B. A shift in consumer preferences towards sustainable and eco-friendly products.
C. Internal supply chain disruptions due to global shipping delays.
D. Economic policies imposing higher tariffs on imported materials.
The correct answer is B. Number 10. Although the project is ahead of schedule, we should still double-check the figures. Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. The project is delayed.
B. They need to verify the numbers.
C. The figures are accurate.
D. They should speed up the project.
The correct answer is B. Number 11. The project deadline is next Friday, and we're behind schedule. Can you work overtime to help catch up? Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. I'm not sure, I have other commitments that week.
B. Absolutely, I'll adjust my schedule and notify the team. C. Why is the deadline so tight? We should extend it.
D. I've already finished my part, so I don't need to.
The correct answer is B. Number 12. Why was my order delayed? Mark your answer on your answer sheet. A. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, there was a supply chain issue.
B. What is your order number?
C. Orders are usually on time.
D. Thank you for your patience.
The correct answer is A. Number 13. What measures are being taken to address the recent data breach in our company? Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. We are enhancing our cybersecurity protocols and conducting employee training.
B. The breach was caused by an external hacker last week.
C. Our IT team is still investigating the full extent of the issue.
D. Data breaches are becoming more common in the industry.
The correct answer is A. Number 14. Woman, I'm concerned about the quarterly projections, they're lower than expected. What adjustments are we making? Man, we're implementing cost-cutting measures across all departments to offset the shortfall, and we'll reassess our market strategy next month. Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. Increasing departmental budgets immediately. B. Reassessing the market strategy in the coming month.
C. Ignoring the shortfall for now.
D. Expanding operations to boost projections.
The correct answer is B. Number 15. At the environmental conference, the speaker mentioned that rising sea levels are threatening coastal ecosystems and urged governments to invest in sustainable solutions immediately. Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. To ignore the effects of sea levels.
B. To invest in sustainable solutions.
C. To focus on urban expansion. D. To promote tourism in affected areas.
The correct answer is B. Number 16. We've received the quarterly financial reports, but there are discrepancies in the international sales figures. What do you suggest we do next? Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. I think we should ignore the discrepancies and proceed with the presentation. B. Let's double-check the data with our overseas partners and consult the accounting team.
C. The reports look fine to me, maybe it's just a minor error.
D. Why don't we delay the reports indefinitely until we figure it out?
The correct answer is B. Number 17. Why has the itinerary for the business trip been changed? Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. The client requested a new schedule to accommodate their availability.
B. We decided to extend the trip for additional sightseeing.
C. The original flights were overbooked by the airline.
D. Bad weather is expected, so we are avoiding potential delays.
The correct answer is A. Number 18. What was the main reason for the decline in our company's stock price last quarter? Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. The board approved a new dividend payout.
B. Regulatory changes imposed stricter compliance requirements.
C. We expanded into new international markets successfully.
D. Employee morale reached an all-time high.
The correct answer is B. Number 19. Could you provide an update on the quarterly sales figures for our European division? Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. I'm not sure, let me check the schedule first.
B. The figures show a 15% increase compared to last year, driven by new market entries.
C. We need to discuss the budget for next quarter.
D. The meeting has been rescheduled to tomorrow.
The correct answer is B. Number 20. I'm worried about the timeline for the project. Do you have any ideas to speed things up? Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. Yes, I have some ideas.
B. The timeline is fine as it is.
C. Let's discuss this in the meeting tomorrow.
D. I think we can adjust the schedule by reallocating resources.
The correct answer is D. Number 21. Man, Our project team is analyzing the latest market trends, and it seems consumer preferences are shifting towards sustainable products. We've noticed a 15% drop in sales for our traditional lines. Woman, that's insightful. So, what strategies are we implementing to adapt our product development and marketing? Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. The reasons for the shift in consumer preferences.
B. The current sales figures for traditional products.
C. The strategies for adapting product development and marketing.
D. The overall market trends analysis.
The correct answer is C. Number 22. Woman, the project's deadline is approaching, and our team is still waiting for the regulatory approvals. We might need to allocate more resources to expedite the process. Man, I agree, but let's ensure we don't compromise on compliance standards in our haste. Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. Approvals should be delayed.
B. Resources should be reduced.
C. Compliance must remain a priority. D. The project should be abandoned.
The correct answer is C. Number 23. How has the market trend affected our sales figures this quarter? Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. It's resulted in a 15% decline due to increased competition.
B. I believe we should schedule a meeting to discuss that.
C. The annual report is available in the shared folder.
D. Could you clarify what you mean by sales figures?
The correct answer is A. Number 24. I'm afraid the project deadline has been pushed back due to the team's unavailability, so we might need to adjust our strategy accordingly. Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. The project is ahead of schedule.
B. There will be a delay in the project.
C. The team is fully available to proceed.
D. No adjustments to the strategy are needed.
The correct answer is B. Number 25. We've analyzed the quarterly sales data, and it shows a 15% decline in the European market due to supply chain disruptions. We'd like to implement new strategies to mitigate this. Mark your answer on your answer sheet.
A. A significant drop in sales in Europe.
B. Plans to expand into new markets.
C. Improvements in supply chain efficiency.
D. An increase in overall company profits.
The correct answer is A.